Hi, it's Rick Rose from Keller Williams. Oh boy, are we going to rent or are we going to buy? Is this a good time? Should we either stay renting, or if you're a young couple just starting out, should we rent? Or is this actually a good time to buy something? We're filming this right now kind of at the end of the year. I'll tell you the secret, there's no better time than to buy in the month of December or January. How come? Because everything is very slow. When you come to March, April, May, June, the market, we're into the middle of the spring market. Everything is busy. Prices are going up. In December, January, everything's a little bit slower. Not as many people looking at the listings. Excellent time to buy. Now, let's go on to, should you continue to rent or should you actually buy a house? Well, my parents in Toronto bought a house in 1964 for $14,000. I still have friends there. They just told me, "Hey, Rick, your home sold." I said, "You're kidding." I checked it out. It sold for $1.3 million. Now, wait a minute. Is that a good investment? That's a long period of time, 1964, but the principle is exactly the same. If you bought a house 5 years ago, it is worth more today than it was 5 years ago. Not only do you get to stay in your investment, it's a great investment. Renting after $2,000 a month, that is about $24,000, $25,000 a year, times 10 years is $250,000. After 10 years of renting, you move out, you take your furniture, all you've got is your furniture. You've given them $250,000. Difference between renting and buying. My strong advice is buy. If you need help with creativity on financing or whatever, please feel free to give me a call. I want you to have a great day. Thanks a lot.